How to regain access to the WordPress administration with cPanel. It's a nightmare not being able to log into your WordPress site. You're sure you have the right password. You even tried resetting the password, but nothing works. You're locked out of your site. Thankfully, there are fast methods of regaining access by modifying a few database records or a few files via FTP. As long as you have some access to the server resources, you'll be back in VP admin in no time. For this, we are going to use a custom script that will create a new administrator user. This is the file we are going to use. Let's open it. The file will create a user called dexhowto with password dext909!. After you download the file from the description, you can change this data. How you can see in the file, there is no hidden code. It is just only the code to create the user and give them admin access. We are going to upload this file with a cPanel account. Before you proceed with the video, please download the file. You find the link from the file in the description of the video. Let's open the browser. Write the domain name and put / and the text cPanel. Now write your username and password and click Login. Click on File Manager. Click on the folder public_HTML or go to the path where you have your WordPress. You should see a folder with these files on it. Click on the Upload button. Click on Select File. Go to the file insertuser.php you downloaded and selected. Click Open. The file should have been uploaded very fast. Now open a new tab. We can close the Upload tab. Open a new tab on the browser and write your domain name /insertuser.php and access it. If you added the correct file on the path, you should see something like this: admin user created. Now let's change the address on the address bar to domain name /wp line admin. Write the username dexhowto and the password dext909!! and click Login. If you do not remember the exact username and password, check the file you downloaded. You are in the administration panel. Now, if you have access to the administration panel, check the user zone to delete all admin users that are not yours. This is how you regain access to the WordPress administration panel with cPanel. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.